traders, hello traders. Today is the 28th of December 2010, and happy trading to you all. I have here the Euro USD currency pair, and I want to show you how you can use the RSI indicator together with the stochastic indicator. On this chart of 5 minutes, I have the RSI indicator with the period 12, and I have the stochastic 833. Okay, this is my favorite stochastic 833. Okay, with the RSI 12. I do not use the RSI 12. I have another RSI that I use, but on this chart I'm using RSI 12 on this 5 minute chart. Okay, now like I said to you before, for every indicator that you want to use on one particular time frame, you have to know which time frame you should use that indicator on, because when you are setting your indicator, you have to understand what is the multiple time trading. Okay, in order to build accurate trading system, okay, you need to understand what kind of combination, what kind of a setting you should give to your indicators, okay, in order to have an accurate signal and accurate entry point. Okay, usually when people purchase the TSTW24 for the first time, okay, they usually think that it's a simple tool, that it's just ordinary tool, but it's deeper than that. Like I said, I will reveal to all the TSTW24 why we choose every indicator and the reason behind it. Okay, now how do you use the RSI indicator together with the stochastic indicator? Okay, we know that the RSI indicator will measure, okay, the magnitude of recent gain compared to the magnitude of recent losses. So when we have the bullish pressure, okay, higher than the bearish pressure, the RSI indicator will be rising and we go above the 50 line. Okay, the 50 line is somewhere here. The 50 line is here, where we have this red horizontal line. That's where the 50 line is on this chart. Okay, so whenever we see the RSI above 50, we know that the bullish pressure is higher than the bearish pressure. Another thing you need to pay attention to, when the RSI is above 50, is it rising? Okay, if it's rising, that's excellent signal that the bullish pressure is higher than the bearish pressure. But if it's above 50 but it's going down, okay, like here, it's not bullish. Even though it's above 50, it's going down, so it's not bullish. Okay, so it has to be above 50 and going up, okay, or going horizontal at least. Okay, but if it's above 50 and going down, it's not very bullish. Even though it's considered as bullish, it's not very bullish. Same thing if it's down, okay, if it's below the 50 line, okay, and going down, okay, sloping down, that's very bearish. Okay, like here, okay, it's going down here, okay, below 50 going down. Okay, if it's below 50, okay, rising is not very bearish, even though it's considered as bearish. Okay, so when we see the RSI rising, okay, like in this case, okay, and you see the stochastic now is below 20, which means the stochastic is oversold. When the RSI is very bullish, you will buy with the stochastic indicator. Okay, that's the way you will use the RSI indicator with the stochastic indicator. So RSI above 50 rising nicely, which means we have an increase in bullish momentum. Okay, now the stochastic is oversold or displaying a bullish pattern. Right here, you see here, it just came down a little bit and displaying a bullish pattern here. When the stochastic is quite high, it's above 59. Okay, that's why you don't sell stochastic. You don't sell when the RSI is above, is quite high. If the RSI is very high, above 70, people are selling. Do not get into that trap. Okay, if it's above 70, it means that the bullish pressure is quite high, but the market is considered as overbought. Okay, that's all. But in that case, if the RSI, okay, is quite bullish, which means above 50, above 60, which means bullish pressure is quite high, and you see the stochastic giving you a bullish signal, you should look to take that opportunity. Okay, but you have to also know how to take the stochastic signal. Okay, it's not because the stochastic is turning like this, then you just take it. Okay, I did a lot of video about the stochastic indicator. You may go and watch them and master the stochastic indicator. Okay, so that's how you use the RSI and the stochastic indicator. Okay, And also, another thing I need to show you here, when the RSI indicator is sloping down, which means a negative slope. So you see here, it's going down, going down, going down, nicely sloping down. Okay, it's clear direction. Okay, it's a downtrend for the RSI here, going down. And the stochastic went up like this and turning around, you sell. You look for opportunity to sell. As always, I say look for opportunity to sell, not to sell, because if you're going to sell, you look at the price first. Support being broken, trend line being broken, you time your entry point. Always look for opportunity to sell, not to sell straight away. Because when you say to people sell, they just sell. Okay? Professional, they don't just sell. They look for opportunity to sell. When the opportunity is not there, they will sell. Sometimes you will miss excellent trade because the setup is not perfect for you. Okay? You're just waiting for it to set for you before you enter. And sometimes you may miss some trade, but it happens. But that's the discipline, because you want to get it right. So you are waiting for it to be perfect and then you enter. But sometimes you miss some excellent trade because you want it to set for you nicely, especially when the support level is broken. You're waiting for a retest. Sometimes the retest doesn't happen. The price just run away. And you will miss sometimes excellent trade opportunity, but who cares? Because you didn't lose anything. Okay, that's the important thing. You don't want to lose. You want to be winning more than losing. That's the point. So how do we use the RSI indicator with the stochastic indicator? Okay, there was one beautiful one today. Okay, as you can see, the RSI touched the 70 level where I put the red horizontal line now. It's 70 level. The stochastic also was overbought, but when it's still touching 70, here you can see that the stochastic was oversold. Okay, so you start to look, thinking to buy. Okay, thinking to buy. But if you understand the price, you will know that the price was at this level here. You will wait for the price to close above this red horizontal line here before you buy. But ordinary traders who are not aware of, who do not understand very much the price, will buy as soon as the stochastic is touching the oversold zone. But if you have more experience, okay, you look at the price first, wait for a resistance to be broken before, because if you are buying here, you are buying into this red horizontal line, this red resistance zone. You don't want that. You want the price to break it first, okay, and then you will take it from there with this small retest. You see how sometimes the market do things, it break it and then you retest it with this small candle on the 5-minute chart, okay, and then they take it from there, okay, and it's just gone fast. Okay, so RSI quite high, RSI very high, RSI above 50, RSI very bullish. Okay, it's telling that the bullish pressure is quite high. Now the stochastic is now oversold. We will look to take that bullish signal given by the stochastic itself. Okay, so same thing when the RSI is going down, like here you see display higher. Look at this, a beautiful one here. Display a higher high here, a lower high. So from here down here is sloping down. Okay, the RSI is going down. Even though it's above 50, it's not rising, it's just going down. Okay, it's going down. Okay, so now the stochastic is overbought. Here you will look for opportunity to sell, and if you sell here, you see what's happened? Just went down all the way there. Okay, so this is how you will use the RSI indicator. So the slope of the RSI you must pay attention to. So when the RSI is rising, going up nicely, and you see the stochastic giving you a bullish signal, you will look to take it. Okay, and when the RSI is going down, okay, and the stochastic is going to the overbought zone, you look for opportunity to buy. But the point is that when we are talking that the people are paying attention to the indicator itself, but you can perfectly remove the stochastic itself, okay, and know that the stochastic is just pointing to you that this is a resistance level, this is a support level. Okay, so what we should have said to you, if you have more experience, that when you see the RSI sloping down and the price hit a resistance level, you look for opportunity to sell. When you see the RSI rising up and you see the price hit a support level, a valid support level, you look for opportunity to buy. That's the way you should say. So you get rid of the stochastic, and we talk about support and resistance level, okay? Because that's what the stochastic do. Because sometimes the stochastic will do excellent, sometimes it will not. But the price is telling us everything, okay? So that's how you will use the RSI indicator. I hope I have covered enough regarding the RSI indicator, okay? Because this year we will be trading more stocks also, and I know that Some traders like to use the RSI indicator when they are trading stocks. Okay, I use the TSTW24 and the TSTW SYS08. Okay, now before I close this video, just to show you one quick pattern on this chart. Okay, my favorite subject of the Elliott wave theory, because the Elliott wave theory is so important that you cannot disregard it. This morning we know that London opens exactly here. That's our point of our starting point each day. London opened here on this red vertical line there. Okay, boom. Okay, now before London opened, we were here, and then the RSI 12 was oversold, and I was telling you that these people, I think they are wrong. We are waiting for this support level here, this red horizontal line, to be taken out so we can sell. As soon as London opened, the price change direction, start going up, hit this level, come down. But you can consider this zone, because we're on 5 minute chart, you can consider this zone as a consolidation. It's because you can see the price going up and down here. It went up a bit, go down, went a bit, okay, come down here. We can consider this zone as a consolidation. And then London open, what's happened? The price rise. So we can call this the first Elliott wave. Okay, from here to here, this is the first Elliott wave on this 5 minute chart. It's not quite solid, so please accept that. Okay, do not be too strict with me. Okay, from here to here, we can consider as a first Elliott wave, because that's where London open. Okay, this way the price did when London open. From here it went up, okay, and then pull back. That's the second wave here. Okay, and the third wave, the longest. Okay, yeah, the longest up to here, and here we can see the fourth and the fifth wave. Okay, we can see the fourth and the fifth wave. Okay, so we can consider only one candle here, because we're on the 5 minute chart. We can't see the fourth and the fifth wave, but the ABC correction was so clear. Look at it. This is the A from here down to here. Okay, the B from here to here, and the C from here to here. Okay, so this is the A. Okay, from this level down to here, that's the A. From here to here, that's the B. Okay, from here where I am now down to here, that's the C section. But we can see the first wave from here to here, the second wave from here to here, the third wave. Is the longest. I think it's all the way here, or it's not very clear, or we consider the third wave from here to here, and the fourth one to be horizontal consolidation zone here, consolidation zone here, and the fifth one from here to here. But in my view, it's the first one from here to here, the second one from here to here, the third one all the way here. And because we are on a 5 minute chart, it's not very clear. The fourth and the fifth was not very clear. It's just like a lower high here in this zone here. That's why I believe the fourth and the fifth is. It's not very clear. And then we have the A, a clear cut A, B, C correction. The price must change direction now. Okay, so rendezvous on the second best time frame of the TSTW24 trading system. We are now bullish towards the Euro USD. It has given us a clear pullback that we were expecting today, even though people were busy buying this morning. The price give us the pullback now. But as always, okay, you will open your eyes. Okay, do not just jump on it and buy anyhow. I hope you enjoyed this video also about how to use the RSI indicator and the stochastic, and that you put it to practice, okay, in order to cream the market consistently. We are the TSTW24 traders. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Speak to you soon. Thank you for watching.